Welcome to my structural designs and analysis tutorial channel featuring complete recorded sections on beam bar bending schedule. Today I'll show you how to prepare bar bending schedule BBS for beams. Generating a beam design from this project. Here we have to generate one of the detailed drawing for a beam to make the analysis. Story 1. Okay. Nice, we have this. Here are the detailed design for the beams in story 1 of the project, and here we have the steel quantity table here as well. Now, having this, we have to select a beam, a detailed design for one of the beams. Okay, let's select beam 32 of story 1. Now, with this detailed design here, we have 3 reinforcing bars. We have to prepare the schedule as regards these reinforcing bars, the top bars, bottom bars, and the setup, generally known as the link. Beam 132. Beam 32. Here we have the bottom bars to be 2Y16 at bar mark 6 here, which is having a length of 4,505 millimeters. Now we have to decode that in this schedule table. This schedule table consisting of the members, the bar type and diameter, the bar mark shape, spacing millimeters, number of bars, cutting length, total length, weight per meter of bars, and total weight, likewise their respective locations. Now the bottom bars is having this shape where we have its bar type and diameter to be Y16 for high tensile steel, likewise R is for mild steel. Y16 bar mark 6, its shape, it has no spacing since it is a member, unlike the distribution bars and stay up, which has spacings between them, and we have the number of bars to be 2. Its cutting length, this is the total length of the bars of that bottom bar, and we have one of it unit length to be 4,505 millimeters. Its total length is a multiple of this in 2 places, whereby it resulted to 9,010 millimeters, and its weight per unit meter. The formula is being applied to that, whereby we will use d square L over 162. D square L over 162, the diameter of the bar having 16 millimeter diameters, and we have 16 square times the length of the bar here, the length of this cutting length over 162, that resulted to this 7.119 kilogram, and the total length is a multiple of this, whereby you have 7.119 multiplied by 2, which gives us 14.238. Data to that of top bars, we have the top bars to having a length of 4,565 millimeters. 4,565 millimeters. The same thing is applied to that, whereby you use the d square L over 162 to get the weight per meter of bar, and likewise getting the total length, total weight, you have to multiply by the number of bars to get the total weight of the bars, and therefore you get the grand total of the bars. Now for the links, we have this. From here you can't easily get the total length of the bar with this representation. Here in the sections gives rooms for you to get that, whereby you have to know the number of the length in this section area. Now this is the length of one of the sides of the links, 449 millimeters. Likewise the other side to its left hand side to be 449 millimeters. The top to be 179 millimeters approximated to 180 millimeters, and likewise this to 180 millimeters. That's the summation of this size gives 1260 millimeters, and it have a hook length here whereby it has 79 millimeters at the one of the hook length, the other two to be 79, which gives us 160. Added to the 1260, it sum up to 1420 millimeters for 1 unit length of stirrup. The stirrup has 3 sections, section 1 to 1, 2 to 2, and 3 to 3. Here are the sections. Now the length have 1420 millimeters as a cutting length for one of its unit length, and now we have to get the number of bars. It is not specified in the detailed drawing that it has 15 number of bars, and here we have to get that through the section here. Deducting 25 millimeter concrete cover, 25 millimeter concrete cover from the two sides of the thread length of the beam, whereby we have 25 millimeters here, 25 millimeter as the concrete cover, which is 50 millimeter. Deducting it from the total length 3625 minus 50 gives us 3575, and that will be divided by its spacing. 3575 divided by 250, it will be giving us a number of 14.3 meters, and whereby as regard detailing schedule, we have to deal with significant figures. For links, we have to deal with significant figures whereby you have to approximate the 14.3 to the preceding numbers, and as a result of that we resorted to 15 millimeters, 15 numbers of bars, and 15 number of bar, one of its cutting length is 1420 millimeters. Its total length will be a multiple of this 1420 in 15 times, and that gives us 21.300 meters, 21,300 millimeters, and its weight per unit bars 1420. This square L over 2, 1420 times 16 times 10 square divided by 162, it gives us this, and its total weight, this multiplied by the 15, gives us 18.933 millimeters. And here as well we have the sections. We have the sections of the link. We have the section of, if there's a variation in any of the section, you get to know it here. We have this shape as well. The link is specified throughout the length of the link, and that's nice. This will enable you to prepare bar bending schedule for beams. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe to the channel for more videos and updates.